in front of me. Hello? Oh, hi, Jeremy. Oh, you're going to go out? Okay, bye. Alright. Come on,
Do
guys.
do 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 do.
Go to the mall. Let's go. Drive. Alright, here's your guys' cut of the money. Now, you guys, go have fun. Speaking of Perry.
Speaking of Perry.
Hey, where's Perry? Hey, John P. That means the talking dude on the camera. Hello, Lindsay. Sorry, our floor action guy is on cherry duty today. Doofenshmirtz is up to no good. He has 6 helicopter blades, 2 dozen party balloons, and 6,000 light bulbs. Your mission today is Carl, the light bulb thing, is to find out what he's up to and put an end to it. Good luck, Agent P.
Do 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 do.
Hey, John P. Hey, that's Perry. Hey, who's Perry? This is the Doofenshmirtz guy.
Get him! Do 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 do. Doofenshmirtz was up to no good.
You're the camera dude. That's Doofenshmirtz. Kill me.